babes, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today I'm a little tired, but I'm currently on the way to go get my nails done. This is a maintenance vlog, so this is like my kind of maintenance week. I did get my hair done on yesterday, well, the day before yesterday, and I'll give y'all a review on that. Who won it? Who won it? Who won it? Who won it?
It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger.
Y'all, I gotta hurry up and make it to my freaking hair appointment. Like, I mean, not my hair appointment. See, I'm so tired. I mean, my nail appointment. And then later, after the nail appointment, I'm gonna go get my brows done. And then, I was gonna get some eyelash extensions, but I couldn't even freaking find nobody to book with. Like, everybody is like kind of booked up because this is Cowboy Carter tour weekend in Houston, and I'm most definitely going, guys. We are going. The Life Babe fam will be in the building. So I got me some strips, and then I'm gonna use those strips instead because I wanted to do my clusters, but I really wanted my beat to be like a beat down. Like, y'all, we beating the face down for Beyonce. So y'all will see that. I think I'm gonna do a get ready with me too. So this might be like an hour-long maintenance vlog type of deal. Like, we just don't know what we're gonna get. So I don't want to yap too much or anything like that, but I am gonna get gonna take y'all with me. We on the way to the nail shop, so let's see what we come up with. I did find like a couple cute designs on Pinterest, just so I can show my tech so she can get a kind of an idea of what I want on my nails. But I'm gonna ask her if she can freestyle. Now, if we might have to get long nails for B, that's okay. So the nails that I got now, which are these, we might have to get them taken off to get some long ones, which is okay. I ain't even tripping. But we just know that we gotta look really, really good for the concert, because the outfit is tea, the hair gonna be tea. Y'all already know the makeup gonna be tea. So we gotta make sure it's 10, 10, 10 across the board. Cause y'all, we sitting on the floor, okay? We are sitting on the floor. We got floor seats for B, so we gotta come step forward, okay? But I'll check back in with y'all in a minute.
sit right with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a
Okay, y'all, got the brows done. Brows or teeth? For real. Child, we got these brows done, y'all. I went got my brows tinted. They're gonna lighten up, but I got them tinted because for the concert, the day of, I just want to focus on beating down my face because this eye look that I'm gonna do for the concert, I gotta really make sure that I lock in and get it done. But we just now leaving from get my brows done. My girl Bawana ate down per usual. Okay, get into these nails. Okay, one time for the one time. Yes, might take a down. Make sure y'all go to King Nail Spot in Pearland, baby. They do not play. I mean, come on. If this doesn't scream Cowboy Carter, like what? Hey, life babes, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, guess what? So today is our Beyonce maintenance vlog. I got my hair done. I got my brows tinted. Get into the nails, y'all. And right now, they dropped the dates for the merch. So, last night they dropped it, and today I'm going. So, they're going to have merch today, tomorrow, and then on Sunday. And the merch starts from 12 to 6. But I'm going to Sunday show, and I wanted to go get my merch early so I can, like, you know, get that out the way. So, I can just spend all day Sunday, like, really getting ready for the concert, okay? Because I want to do some extravagant with my makeup. Not too much, but I just want to make sure that it's like really creative and really fun because y'all, Beyonce is coming for the second time. This is act 2, baby. Okay, so yeah, I'm on my way currently to go to the spot. It's 10:38. GPS says that we are gonna make it at 10:50, y'all. So with that being said, I just want to make sure that I get there early because it's kind of like lunchtime. If you know Houston, baby, you got to get somewhere an hour ahead to be on time because this traffic don't play at 12, okay? It don't play any other day but y'all, like Beyonce coming. So people probably been there earlier. You don't know. And I just want to get my merch and get in and out. So, we're on the way to do that. And I'm going to check back on with y'all and let y'all see everything, okay? So we're gonna chime back in and be happy. All these hours in this sun and my tennis bag, we got merch. So now it's time to go so I can hydrate and we can figure this out. So I'm gonna check back in later, gang. Okay, guys, life babes, it has been an adventure. Look at my freaking hair, guys. OMG. We'll fix that later. But y'all, I got a freaking 10. What the freaking crap. But we did, however, we did score Beyonce's merch. We got it, okay? I met some beautiful people in the line. They were so nice. And it was good vibes. Like the Beehive, shout out to the motherfucking Houston Beehive because y'all very, very respectful. Like it had a kid out there, he almost passed out. When I tell you everybody got him water, got him air, everything that he needed, like Houston Beehive, y'all are very much who y'all think y'all are. But now, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I'm on my way home. And yeah, shout out to motherfucking Beyonce, baby. Because, child, girl, this was fun. Like, this is my first time ever, like, standing outside for merch. I've never done this for no artist. And for Beyonce, I'm doing it. But, like, this was just like, it was fun. It was good. Like, y'all, it was hot and all that stuff, but it was very good vibes. The crowd was mature. Everybody was helping each other. Like, y'all, you just couldn't ask for a better community. Like, that's what it's all about. The community. Like, y'all, I'm so happy right now. I got everything I wanted. And I'm on my way home. It's about to rain, child. Okay. See y'all in a second, life babes. Child, life babes, good morning. I had a time last night. Y'all, look at these tans. This tan is from standing outside from getting merch for B. I'm currently, ooh. Y'all, I gotta get my life together. Today is concert day. So, I ain't trying to yap too much. But y'all, I had a freaking time last night. I didn't even wear no makeup. I just put on clusters. But tonight, we're not doing clusters for Muba. I got some lashes and strips. And yeah, so we about to get ready. Part 1. I'm finna do my skincare, do all that good things. Check out that nails, y'all. Really get into that. But yeah, we're about to get ready. So y'all just watch me get ready, and then I'm not going to do too much of yapping. It's a whole lot of just to watch the process and enjoy the vibes, okay? But yeah, I had a time last night. Excuse me in advance. Excuse my background in advance. Because, child. Okay? I'm gonna check back with y'all in a second.
Holy night on the long black road, all the tears I cried. At 15, the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy grind. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed. On the back of the bus in the bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cook clean but still won't fall. Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away into the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my fears away till the summer sunset on a holy night on a long back road. All the tears I fight. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? Oh, we gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships flying. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. Sexy, my love. Don't miss this.